Are you bored with basic collection layouts? Let's refresh it and make it more eye-catching. Open the OT Theme Sections app. Go to the library and search for Collage Collection or simply Collage. Then choose the variant you like. Head to Theme Editor, then Add Section. To adjust the layout, just tweak the width and height settings. Next, select your collection and edit an image if needed. Now, you might notice the title color looks a bit off. To fix it, go to the section settings, find the title configuration, and choose your preferred color. Just remember to click Save. Upgrade your storefront in seconds. Find us on the Shopify App Store.